episode of the Dragon's Lair. I want to say happy 4th of July for all the Americans out there that are celebrating today, no matter where you are. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, watch all my previous videos. And if you're new, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, past videos. A lot of them are unboxing videos. Some are what's going on or events that I've been to. So, but today is an unboxing video. I got it yesterday, but I figured since I'm not really doing anything on July 4th, figured I'd just do the box today. And it's my ink, my fountain pen subscription box that I get each month. And it came a little late because it was bought a little late. But yeah, no, I buy two $25 boxes, and they put them both in the same box to lower the cost of shipping, which is good. And I usually get really good pens. Most of the time, maybe a couple boxes within the last 4 years that I've been doing this box that I haven't liked because I didn't like the pens, but you know what? They're still part of the collection. So, you get, as I said, this is the $25 box, and you usually get a pen and a Ziploc bag of 5 vials of ink. And then there's the $75 one where you get a couple of pens, more of a, you may get more vials of ink, or you get like a glass bottle of ink. And then there's the $150 box where you get a couple of pens, a couple of things of ink, and sometimes a journal or sometimes another notebook type thing. So, and I've done the $25 ones, which adds up to $50 because of the two. I do two $25 boxes, and I've done the $75 box before. And at some point, I do want to do the $150, but other things have gotten in the way to where I'm just going to stick with the two 25s at the moment. I will put a link down below to their site, and I'll put a link down to my website, showing you my not updated collection of fountain pens. But if you check out my Instagram, I do have some photos there of the newer pens. So this is how it's shipped. Used to be shipped in a box. As if you watched my other videos, they used to have a different box, but now they've gone to the plain brown box with just a simple logo, which is fine with me. They don't give you the index cards anymore of what pens you get, and they've been putting the little note cards in the baggies. So, and you usually get the same color ink. They usually don't give you different ink if you order 2 boxes. So, and this one looks like it leaked again this month. Just the 1 vial, so I'll have to look at that. But it's called Colourverse. And you got a Boo, a Uma, a Sema, a Signy, and a PSC ink. So, it looks like one is red, one's black, one's blue, one's green, and one's dark blue. So that's cool. I've never had any ink with those kind of names on it. Never had Colourverse ink before, so I'm not sure what they're like. And this month's pens are Pilot MR Retro Pop Collection. So I got 2 of them. Got a gold one and a black one. So that's cool, and all the information's right there. Fountain black ink, cartridge included. Pilot MR Retro Pop Collection. Brilliant style, incredibly smooth. Generic stuff for Pilot. And before I got back into using fountain pens, I did use a lot of Pilot pens. Matter of fact, I think that's what my erasable pens that I use in gaming are. I don't use a lot of pencils. So let's open this up somehow. And see what, ooh, hey, they're metal. So they are actually like retro pens. You get a big vial of ink. That's cool. So you got that. I'm doing it outside today, the video outside today, because it is nice out, and I don't do a lot of outside videos. So, figured I'd do today's video outside. So there's the gold one. There's the black one. Looks like it's got the same point. And there's the other vial of ink, same size. So that's cool. It looks like it's the same. It's the fine point. They don't tell you the point on here. I think it says fine on the nib. So that's cool. So that's the fountain pens for this month, or for June actually. So the last June box I'm now waiting for is my BAM box. And I'll do a whole video on that because there's some news about BAM box and everything. So we'll check out BAM box when it comes sometime this week, hopefully. So stay tuned. Hit the bell icon because then you'll get notified when I do newer videos. So other than that, enjoy your barbecues, stay safe with your fireworks, and have a joyous holiday.